Ever wondered how Ashton Kutcher went from that 70s show goofball to Silicon Valley mogul? Buckle up, because this ride's wilder than a roller coaster. Born in Iowa in 1978, Kutcher's not just a pretty face. He's a business genius giving tech titans a run for their money. We're diving into the Kutcher cash pool, folks. From Hollywood heartthrob to savvy investor, this guy's got more layers than an onion. We'll uncover how he built his empire, from acting gigs to tech gambles that'd make Elon Musk sweat. By the end, you'll see Kelso in a whole new light. So grab your popcorn or your notebook, cause we're about to spill the tea on how Ashton Kutcher became one of the wealthiest, most fascinating celebs on the planet. Ready for mind-blowing revelations? Let's roll. Early life and entry into the entertainment industry. Picture this: a young Ashton Kutcher, born to a factory worker dad and Procter & Gamble mom, growing up in blue-collar Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Who'd have thought this Midwestern boy would become a Hollywood heavyweight and tech tycoon? But Kutcher's story is all about defying expectations. His journey kicked off when a talent scout spotted him at the University of Iowa. Talk about being in the right place at the right time. Before you could say, "Dude, where's my car?" Kutcher was strutting his stuff on runways and catching the eye of TV producers. Then came the role that changed everything: Michael Kelso on That 70s Show. Suddenly, Kutcher wasn't just a pretty face. He was America's goofball sweetheart. But here's the kicker. While everyone saw a rising actor, Kutcher was quietly plotting his next moves. He wasn't content with just being a star. He wanted to be a supernova in the business world. This early taste of the limelight wasn't just his big break. It was the launchpad for a career that would span far beyond the hills of Hollywood. Breakthrough and success in television and film. From the basement of That 70s Show to the glittering heights of Hollywood, Ashton Kutcher's rise was nothing short of meteoric. Remember Dude, Where's My Car? And Just Married? These flicks didn't just cement Kutcher as a rom-com king. They showed he could carry a movie and rake in the big bucks. But Kutcher wasn't about to be typecast as just another pretty boy. Nope, he had bigger fish to fry. Enter Punk'd, the show that turned celebrity pranks into an art form. Here's where Kutcher really flexed his entrepreneurial muscles, not just starring in the show, but creating and producing it. Suddenly, he wasn't just the guy in front of the camera. He was the mastermind behind it. This move was pure Kutcher. Innovative, risk-taking, and totally in tune with what audiences wanted. It's like he had a crystal ball for pop culture trends. By the mid-2000s, Kutcher wasn't just cashing actor paychecks. He was raking in those sweet, sweet production royalties. Hollywood had to sit up and take notice. This guy wasn't just a flash in the pan. He was building an empire, one hit show at a time. Venturing into the tech world. While most of Hollywood was busy chasing the next big role, Ashton Kutcher was quietly becoming a big player in a completely different game: the high-stakes world of tech investing. It's like he had a sixth sense for the next big thing. Remember when Skype was just starting out? Kutcher saw its potential and jumped in. When Microsoft bought Skype for a cool $8.5 billion, Kutcher's bank account did a happy dance. But he didn't stop there. Oh no, this was just the beginning. Teaming up with Guy Oseary and Ron Burkle, Kutcher co-founded A-Grade Investments, and folks, this is where things get really interesting. Imagine having the foresight to invest in Airbnb before everyone and their grandma knew about it, or Uber when it was just a twinkle in its creator's eye. That's Kutcher for you, always ahead of the curve. It's like he had a time machine, seeing the future of tech before anyone else. His ability to spot the next unicorn in a sea of startups isn't just impressive, it's downright uncanny. Kutcher wasn't just diversifying his portfolio, he was reshaping it into a tech goldmine. Expanding income streams with investments. Ashton Kutcher isn't just a one-trick pony when it comes to investments. Oh no, this guy's portfolio is more diverse than a New York City subway car. While everyone was focusing on his tech ventures, Kutcher was quietly spreading his bets across a smorgasbord of industries. Take Beyond Meat, for example. Before plant-based burgers were all the rage, Kutcher saw the potential and put his money where his mouth is. When Beyond Meat went public, cha-ching, Kutcher's foresight paid off big time. But wait, there's more. He's also got his fingers in the real estate pie, flipping properties in LA like a pro. It's like he's playing Monopoly, but with real buildings and real money. And let's not forget his ventures into fashion and wellness. It's as if Kutcher looked at the business world and said, "I'll take one of everything, please." This isn't just smart investing. It's financial wizardry. By spreading his investments far and wide, Kutcher's not just protecting his wealth, he's growing it from multiple directions. It's like he's got a money tree, and every branch is a different industry. The power of production and content creation. If Hollywood is a chessboard, then Ashton Kutcher is playing 4D chess while everyone else is stuck in checkers. His production company, Catalyst Films, isn't just another vanity project, it's a content-creating powerhouse. Remember Beauty and the Geek? That's Catalyst's brainchild, and it hit the jackpot on the CW network. But Kutcher didn't stop at traditional TV. Oh no, he saw the digital revolution coming and rode that wave like a pro surfer. While other celebs were still trying to figure out Twitter, Kutcher was creating viral content that spread faster than gossip at a high school reunion. It's like he's got a sixth sense for what will make people click, share, and come back for more. By producing and owning content, Kutcher isn't just making entertainment, he's minting money. Every view, every click, every share adds to his bottom line. It's genius, really. In a world where content is king, Kutcher isn't just wearing the crown, he's building the whole darn kingdom. The impact of social media and personal branding. In the wild west of social media, Ashton Kutcher isn't just a settler, he's a full-blown pioneer. With millions of followers hanging on his every tweet and post, Kutcher has turned his online presence into a goldmine. It's like he's got a direct line to the public, bypassing traditional media altogether. And brands? They're practically falling over themselves to work with him. Why? Because when Ashton Kutcher talks, people listen. And more importantly, they buy. His endorsements aren't just ads. They're golden tickets for products lucky enough to catch his eye. But here's the real kicker. Kutcher doesn't just use social media. He understands it on a level that would make even the most seasoned marketers green with envy. He's not just riding the wave of digital influence, he's creating the swells. In an industry where relevance is currency, Kutcher's social media game keeps him rich in both followers and opportunities. It's like he's got a crystal ball, always one step ahead of the next big trend. In Kutcher's hands, social media isn't just a tool, it's a magic wand, turning likes and shares into cold, hard cash. Philanthropy and giving back. Now, here's where Ashton Kutcher really shines brighter than his Hollywood smile, his dedication to making the world a better place. While some celebs are content with the occasional charity gala, Kutcher's rolling up his sleeves and diving into the deep end of philanthropy. Take Thorn, for instance. This isn't your run-of-the-mill celebrity foundation. It's a tech-powered superhero in the fight against child exploitation and human trafficking. Kutcher's not just throwing money at problems, he's leveraging technology to solve them in ways that would make Tony Stark proud. But wait, there's more. Education, environmental conservation, social justice. You name it, and Kutcher's probably got a hand in making it better. It's like he's got a checklist of the world's problems, and he's ticking them off one by one. What's truly remarkable is how he's woven his business acumen into his charitable work, creating sustainable solutions rather than quick fixes. In Kutcher's world, doing good isn't just a side gig, it's a fundamental part of his legacy. He's not just changing lives, he's potentially saving them. Net worth breakdown and future prospects. All right, let's talk numbers, because Ashton Kutcher's net worth is the kind of figure that makes accountants do a double take. As of 2024, we're looking at a cool $250 million. But here's the kicker, this number is about as stable as a roller coaster, because it just keeps going up. Kutcher's financial portfolio is like a greatest hits album of smart investments. From his acting days to his tech ventures, from real estate flips to startup gambles that paid off big time. Every move seems to turn to gold. Looking ahead, Kutcher's future is brighter than a supernova. With his finger on the pulse of emerging technologies and his knack for spotting the next big thing, who knows where his net worth will be in a few years? $300 million? $500 million? The sky's the limit. What's clear is that Kutcher's not just playing the game, he's rewriting the rules. In a world where fortunes can be made and lost in the blink of an eye, Kutcher's diverse approach to wealth building is nothing short of genius. He's not just securing his financial future, he's creating a legacy that could rival some of the biggest names in business. And there you have it, Ashton Kutcher's journey from Iowa farm boy to Hollywood hotshot to tech titan extraordinaire. Who'd have thought Kelso would be giving Silicon Valley nightmares? With a $250 million net worth that's only heading north, Kutcher's story screams anything's possible louder than a summer blockbuster. He's not just breaking molds, he's building new ones from scratch. From punking celebs to investing in the future, from silver screen to philanthropy scene, Kutcher's career is a masterclass in reinvention. The lesson: success isn't about staying in your lane. It's about owning the whole dang highway. Kutcher isn't just a star. He's a supernova of smart thinking and gutsy moves. Next time you're Airbnb or munching a Beyond Meat burger, tip your hat to Ashton. Now that's star power with a capital Kutching.
Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.